All right, guys. Well, before we start here, please type here in the chat where are you located? Singapore, Germany, Philippines, US, India, Austria. Wow, a lot of places. Yeah, Jakarta, Indonesia, Pennsylvania, Brazil, Miami. Amazing. Yeah, probably you have all five continents here.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, sounds amazing.
Oh, Singapore.
Yeah, that's cool. Jackie from UK. Well, that's cool, guys. Really nice to have a lot of people here from all over the world. Now, if it's your first time here in GoBrunch, what you can do is, as you can see the screen share, you can click on the edge of the screen to see it bigger. Or if you want, you can just click on my view and presentation mode. Okay, there's a button here at your bottom menu, which is my view. You can click on it and then you can click on presentation. Sounds good, guys. Now, before we start, let's just line up some expectations with you and introduce ourselves. Yeah, you can just, yeah. Again, if you're just joining here, my name is Richard. I'm a co-founder. I'm here with Angela today. And yeah, pretty sure you're gonna love it. Yeah, I have a lot of cool stuff to share with you guys.
Yes.
All right, and just to line up some expectations with you guys, this in this master class, we're going to show you a lot of different cool examples on how to build your virtual workspace with a community, training, and meeting features. Okay, we're going to explore a lot of different examples where how you can do that with videos, live videos, not live videos. I think you're really going to like it. However, if you guys want to ask any questions, like technical questions related to, I don't know, CNAMEs or sub accounts or anything else, we do have daily demonstrations and we encourage you to participate in any of them. Julio is here from our team. Hello, Julio. Thank you for joining us. He will share with you the link for you guys to join any of these demonstrations where you can ask more technical questions, right? And during this masterclass, what you're going to do is make sure that you can share with you guys all the new features that we have and all the capabilities that you can have for building communities, trainings, meetings, and all the different use cases. All right, sounds good, guys. Perfect. All right, now before I proceed, I want to ask you guys, what is your main use case in GoBrunch? Please type here in the chat. Faster information. All right, community. Okay, webinar, co-working space, building a virtual campus,
Conferencing.
yoga classes. Nice.
And that's nice.
Community office hours. Nice. A lot of different ones.
Software presentation. That's cool.
Meeting calls, okay. Therapy sessions, all right. That's
Nice. Nice, nice. Coaches.
okay. Yeah, sounds good. All right. Client meetings, okay. Sounds good, guys. Well, here's the thing. We know that GoBrunch can be used for many different situations, many different use cases. What I'm gonna do today is to show you a few examples, for covering different use cases. But what you're gonna do here is we created a kind of a persona. Her name is Melina Romano. She actually exists, and she's an interior designer. And the reason why we created this persona is because GoBrunch is very, very related to rooms and spaces, right? And nothing better than to explore an interior designer. But you're gonna notice that all the examples that you're gonna show are very, very applicable for you. Doesn't matter the kind of business that you are. All right. And Melina is just like us. I think many of us are entrepreneurs. Please type yes if you are an entrepreneur. A lot of people here.
Nice.
All right, cool. All right. Yeah, and that's what you're gonna explore, right? Because just like Melina, everyone here is looking to expand your business or your virtual office. And we're gonna just help Melina and everyone here how to connect with your potential customers, how to use for meetings or even for teaching. All right. That's the purpose of our session today. Sounds good, guys. Okay, Angela, how can we start helping Melina and everyone here?
I think we should start with making a co-working space.
All right.
Let's go to the home page and we go to the co-working space option. Nice. So let's place a name for her space. Perfect. Right now I don't want extra security or
Okay.
flexible stations. Since we're beginning, right now I'm going to place none more rooms.
Okay, let's just start with one room.
And right now I'm going to choose this room, but we're going to customize everything later. There we go. So now we enter to the new space.
Sounds good. All right. Okay, this will be like our welcoming room, right? From our space.
Yes, I'm thinking that. Place a welcome video and customize the backgrounds, a welcome room to everybody.
Sounds good. And yeah, because I think, every one of us, we need a space, and not only for meetings. What I think we can start adding something like a welcoming, a warming space where people can just join and learn more from us and learn more from our business. What do you
So,
suggest? So how can we start?
well, right now we go into this room option
Hmm.
and then we go into the background in editor.
All right.
Here we're going to customize the background. So we go to the background option and we upload a background from our computer. There it goes.
All right. Sounds a good one. All right.
I want
Looks
to change the height from the room, so I'm going to click here on Canva
okay.
and let's place 800. Perfect. So here I just want to see the sofa so I can place the circles.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Just to make it comfortable for everyone who's joining this welcoming room.
And I want to change the colors from the circles. So
Hmm.
I'm going to change it from here. There we
And
go.
you usually use like the color picker, right? And for example, you choose like the yellow to match the swing.
Exactly.
Hmm. Yeah, that's nice.
I choose one color that can match with the background.
All right. Sounds good. All right.
Perfect. So I think right now I should add a welcome video.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think adding a video here would be really cool.
Yes, so I'm going to embed a video. I'm going to
Okay.
go to a YouTube video that I choose and I go to copy the embed code. I go back to my room and we're going to go to this option, embed audio, video, and more, and I paste the code. There it goes. Here I can move
Perfect.
my
All right.
video, I can resize the corner and place it where I like the most.
Uh-huh. Sounds good. Yeah, I think that this looks really good for our welcoming room.
Yes, I like it.
Perfect. All right. Yeah. Everyone who joins here, they can learn more about us, and they can just watch like a welcoming video.
Exactly.
And yeah, Lynn was just mentioning about the difference between image and background. Yeah, the image you can move around. It's good that you mentioned, Lynn. Good to see you here. And the background, it's just a background that will auto fit the width of your screen. Okay. And if you guys want to see like resolutions, let me just put here just for you guys to have. Again, Mia and Angela, we use different methods, right? And I don't know if Marissa is here, but Marissa uses a different one. But I usually do like something around 9020 by 976. This is the resolution that I usually use for avoiding scrolling. Okay. And but again, Angela usually have like a more hidden
Yeah,
background. There's
scroll
no right or
down.
wrong. Yes, and
Yeah.
Kat, thank you, Kat, for your help. Usually we don't want to, surpass like 400K. Perfect. All right. What's next, Angela? What can we add next to, let's say, a different room for our space?
Yes, I'm thinking maybe a menu where people can join, see some content, different spaces they can join.
That's nice. Yeah, I see many people, trying to showcase different products or services, and maybe we can show how we can create something like a table of content.
Exactly. Yes,
Mhm.
table content sounds perfect.
All right.
Nice. So we go to create a new room inside our space. We click
Okay.
our room's icon and we go into the plus icon. Add a room. I'm going to place here table of content. Here you will see some room presets that you can check or uncheck, depending up to you. And I'm going to place here auto seat, joining notification, but what filters, no date, and
Uh-huh.
save published history.
And each one of the rooms from our space, you can have different settings, right?
Exactly, in each.
Perfect. All right.
Mhm. And I'm going to choose this one, but we're going to
Okay.
customize this later too.
Okay, now we have one more room, which is the table of content. Okay, let's join this room and start customizing. All right, yeah, here we are. Okay, and since this is a table of content, what do you have in mind for changing the look and feel of this room?
So, well, we're going to begin again to customize the background.
Okay.
Room, background editor, and we're going to the background option again. I'm going to choose one from here. There it goes.
All right, I really like this one, this background. Yeah, it's kind of very minimalistic.
I'm going to place here my
Where I
circles.
can find, yeah, these backgrounds are actually from this interior designer. But what I usually do is I usually find on image banks. Um, what I usually do is like search for 3D rendering furniture or 3D rendering meeting rooms or lounges. There are some people using 3D software for rendering furniture. It's a more professional level, but I would say all the templates that I usually do, I pretty much find on Image Bank. Okay, guys, what I want to ask you, what do we think we should add in this table of contents? Imagine like a welcoming table of contents of your space. What do you think we should add here to make this lounge more comfortable? Plants, all right. And a half,
Mhm.
okay. What else we can add here to make it more comfortable, more chilling? Welcome video music. Yeah, I like the idea from Lynn. Let's add some music.
Music.
Yeah, Derek. Yeah, Derek mentioned about music. Yeah, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
let's add some music, guys. I think that would be cool. Then
yeah.
everyone who joins would be able to hear the music.
All right. So to place here a playlist, I going to embed.
Okay, guys, we are using this app for embedding. It's on AppSumo. The name is, I think it's Fuda. And I had a conversation with the founder like this Tuesday, and he was really, really kind to adjust his tool for working with GoBrunch. And now it works inside an iframe, which is really, really cool. And you can have call to action buttons. There are many, 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 many different widgets that you can use here. All right, you can search on AppSumo. We really recommend you using because it seems really, really nice. We're gonna show you a few examples here. Show us now how we can embed, Angela.
Perfect. So here I have already a playlist that I made. And right now I'm going to go to the embed option from the platform and we're going to copy the second code.
Okay, embedding using iframe.
And then we go back to our room. I'm going to paste this code and there it goes. I can move around, I can change the size to and place it in a part of the room.
That is nice. Okay, and here we have our playlist.
Yeah,
All
let's
right,
play a little bit. Let's see.
cool. All right.
Really nice background music.
Yeah. All right. Well, since many people here are trainers and they want to teach, maybe what we can add here is something like a link where they can see more information about their courses. What do you think, Angela?
Yes, like a certification program. Mm-hmm.
Nice. I like your idea. Yeah, certification program.
Yes,
Okay.
nice. All right. So we're going to go to the add image, this
Hmm.
icon. And I'm going to go to image here. Learn interior design with me.
Is this a PNG?
Oh yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, this is nice, guys, because then you have like the picture with no background, and it's really nice fit if you want to, match with the current room that you are designing. Perfect. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. How can we make this like clickable?
Oh, we're going to add in add navigation in this icon.
Okay.
I'm going to place in the top of the image. I'm going to change the direction here. And we're going to click to link
Uh huh.
and create and link. So right now this is going to take us to a new room and we save.
Okay, looks good. All right. Sounds good. Okay, well, now we have here our main table of contents with a playlist, and we already have a link for our interior design with me. Okay, I'm very curious. I want you to show us how we can create this interior design with me.
All right. So first we're going to customize the background. We're
Okay.
going to go here again the background option. Let's see. There we go. So I want to place like a living room.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I like it.
I'm going to erase the circles. I want to change the color of this one. So I'm going to pick one from here. There it goes. And I'm going to add new ones. There we goes. I'm thinking like placing a panel with all the certification programs that Melina shows.
Nice. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, something like showing like the curricula of the course. How can we do that?
So to do this, we're going to go to Canva. I'm going to show you here. This is the Canva that I already made.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is Canva, right? Not sure if you guys use this on your daily basis. It can be any tool like Canva. We are just using Canva for demonstration purposes. But yeah, are you using the free version or paid version, Angela?
Oh, the free version.
Okay, sounds good. All right. And
Mhm.
here we design it like you design it like an agenda, right? An agenda of the course.
Exactly.
Perfect. Okay. How can we add this inside GoBrunch?
Okay, so we're going to go to the share option in Canva and we're going to choose the embed icon.
Okay.
And we're going to copy the first code.
Okay. Always the first, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
And we go back to our room, we go to the embed option and we paste the code.
Okay.
There we go.
Nice.
I'm going to resize here
Okay.
and we save.
Okay. And what is interesting here is that we do have a table of content. We have like an agenda of the course with blended for on-demand sessions or recorded sessions and live sessions.
So right now I'm going to show you how you can click from the Canva and go to a new room.
Okay, you're gonna make like a clickable objects over there. All right.
So for do that, we're going to go to all rooms because first we have to make the new room.
Okay, and then guys, this is how you can add rooms because someone I think asked it. Yeah.
I'm going to place it on demand. I'm going to check here some stuff. If it was reserved business, there we go. Let's join the new
Okay,
room.
you created this on-demand room.
Exactly.
All
Yes, because
right.
we need first the link of the new room. So right now I'm going to copy this link and we go back to Canva. So here what I'm going to do is place the first option here. Oh, let me place it right here. There it goes.
Okay. Click on the link and then paste the link.
And paste the link.
Perfect. And every time you update on Canva, we don't need to update in GoBrunch, right? It's already synced.
Oh yeah, it's already seen.
Okay, that sounds good. All right.
Yes, let's go back.
Uh-huh.
And to see this, we're going to go again to our certification program room.
All right. All right.
Perfect. Let you see the free
Uh-huh.
here, the title
Uh-huh.
now is linked.
Okay. Now, every time we click here, we get into the first room of this certification program.
Exactly.
Now, I'm curious. Maybe we can ask, everyone here about how they are doing their program.
Oh, that's really nice. Yes, let me share. Let's see. See.
Okay, guys. Yeah, we are just opening here a panel where you can vote. What training format? What is the training format of your trainings? Please, you can click on this screen that just opened, and now I can see already the results here. Waiting for you guys to vote. Please vote here. It's really cool. We still don't offer. Yeah, hopefully you will after this masterclass. Yeah, a lot of people already working on hybrid courses, which is really cool. And just for you guys to know what we are using here, as you can see, we are using Mentimeter together with GoBrunch, right? You can use any tools, but we are using the boards and apps option, which is cool. And you can have this kind of polls live in your events. Let's get back to our room and start adding some content to our course.
Right now we have the room linking already in our program.
Mhm.
So we're going to click here
Okay, on the free one.
and it's going to take us automatically to the new room. There it goes.
Okay, this will be like our first on-demand teaching session, teaching lesson space, right? Or teaching lesson
Exactly.
room. What are you planning
So
to add here?
I'm planning to add an on-demand video. Some people when
Okay,
enters to the room. So for that, we're going to go to this room icon and we go to this place, on-demand videos.
on-demand videos. Okay, guys, this is not the editor. This is a different feature. where you can upload your MP4 files.
Exactly. And you will always have these, the ones that you upload, they're always going to be there in any room.
Like your video library.
So right now I'm going to choose this video. There it goes. But I want when someone enters, see this video in full screen. So we're going
Mm-hmm.
to go to this room, room settings,
Okay.
and we're going to switch this option, dynamic mode from presentation mode.
Okay.
Yeah, update. There it goes.
Okay, like every time we join, this video starts already playing full screen. And this feature, guys, of this on-demand video, you can upload like high quality videos, even 4K. And yeah, works pretty well. And then, every time someone join this room, they will start watching in your video, just like your first lesson or your on-demand lesson.
I would like to add another on-demand room. So to not make everything from the beginning, what I'm going to do, I'm going
Mm-hmm.
to go to this room, background and editor. I'm going to place an add navigation. We go here, click to link, and I'm going to create and link,
Okay.
right? And I save.
Click on save.
Perfect. And now we're going to click in the add navigation to go to the new room. Perfect. Like you see, everything is the same, but we're going to
Mhm.
change this video.
Okay.
So we go to this room, on demand videos again, and I click in this one.
Okay, you're choosing a different video now. Nice.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now this is like the lesson number 2 of your on-demand session.
Exactly. Mm-hmm.
Nice. All right, sounds good.
So right now I'm thinking like add a call to action.
Yeah, it's a good idea, right? We have watched like 2 free lessons. Now maybe people are interested in purchasing something else, like the
Exactly.
full program.
Mm-hmm. Something like
Okay, how are
that.
we gonna do that?
So for this, I'm going to go again to the other platform that we were
Okay.
using.
Okay.
I have already done a button here. So we go
Mm-hmm.
to the embed option
Okay.
and then we copy the second code here. We go back to our room. We go to this room,
Mm-hmm.
background editor, and we're going to go again to the embed option. We paste the code.
Yeah, we always recommend resizing, right? This is just for demonstration purpose, but usually when you
Yes.
use this widget, it gets a lot of empty space. You guys can always rescale, and you can
Mhm.
click enroll now. This is really cool, and then you can create your own customer journey with your own funnels. Let's get back to our table of content and discuss a little bit what else we can do to this really amazing space that you're creating. Yeah, what you can add next, guys? We in this space, we already have learning to design with me with our training programs, with our certification. What else we can add in ours? Imagine your space. What do you want to have here? Suggestions. Document, okay. Okay, yeah, like something links to course steps. Okay, we just created this, but yeah, it's a thanks. Document embedding, training, educational videos. Okay. Okay, since this is our space, what about something for us, like our office? What do you guys think? Yeah, share your screen for teaching. I like the idea from Maria. Maybe we can add an office, Angela. Yeah, in the same space we have our course programs. We already have our lounge, and now we can have our office, right, for receiving people.
So we're going to this room. I'm going to place a new image.
Hmm.
So we go to the image option and I'm going to place this one virtual office.
Okay.
There it goes. And I'm going to place another add navigation so people can go there. Click to link, create and link. And we
All
save.
right. All right, now we have 2 options here in our main lounge table of contents. Sounds good.
Yes.
Now let's start, let's create this virtual office. I think many people here wants their office. And I think one of the components that we can have here, Angela, many people ask is create a room with extra large circles, right? Because many people
Oh,
here like.
nice. To do
Uh-huh.
this, we go into this room,
Okay.
room settings,
All right.
and we're going to choose a room with extra large circles. We have this
Okay.
one, business center. extra large circles, and we
And
update.
click on update. All right.
Now what
This
I'm going
template is available, guys. You can choose from once you are creating your room, or you can replace just like Angela did.
mhm.
Now let's just customize to look at our office, right? And I have seen while Angela does this, I have seen amazing ideas here, guys. People have been sharing, rooms with me, and it's really nice to see, the small details, like with small vases and flowers, and sometimes pictures of the family at the wall. It's really nice how you guys are customizing your room.
Yes, you can add anything you like inside your space.
Yeah,
It's really
Jamie.
nice.
Yes, that there are different room circle sizes. This one is the extra large. We have medium, we have small, and we have tiny. You can just choose, which one is more suitable for you.
And
Okay,
there
now
you
we already
go.
have our office. Yeah, this is really cool. Sounds
Yes.
good. Yeah, I think now we have our office. We have our training program. We have already a welcoming video. Let's
Mhm.
get back to the table of contents.
Yes, sounds good.
Okay.
Let's go.
Which additional kind of rooms we should add here? What do you guys think? What an interior designer workshop where create designs. Okay, a live demo workshop. What else, guys? Portfolio. Yeah, I like the idea from Patrick. Let's create a portfolio.
So I'm going to place another image,
Okay.
and we have here a virtual gallery.
I think you guys gonna like, because even if you are not an artist, there are many ways for you to create interactive tours. I was with a person here the last weekend, and we were doing something with a car, with a car dealer. And imagine that you click on the door, and then you get inside the car. You click on the engine, and it can get more specifications, right? Imagine this kind of really cool tour that you can provide. And more interesting, you can be there live with your customers. Yeah, let's see how we can do this kind of art gallery, or this kind of portfolio. Doesn't matter if you offer a service or a product.
So right now I customize my background
Mhm.
and I organize my circles. What I'm going to do now is going to play some image so people
Okay.
can see my gallery.
All right.
So I'm going to add right here. Goes. I'm going to place in the top of the lamps. There's another one.
Okay, what you're doing right now is adding a few pictures and resizing it.
Exactly.
Okay, positioning at the top. All right.
And I have here another one. There it goes. And we save.
Okay, let's save it.
So this is really nice what I'm going to show you. When someone enters in this image, they can click on the top of the image and they can see in
Okay.
full screen too.
Oh, nice. Okay. And this is cool, guys. You can add any kind of images, as Angela did, and by clicking on an image, your attendees can see it bigger, right? And it can be like more information about your product or information about your service, right? Imagine that you are just building a website, but instead of a page, it's just a room.
Nice. I'm
All
going to
right,
go
sounds
back
good.
to the table of content, I think.
Okay, yeah, let's get back. Now, we want to show you guys a new concept that we have here that is actually really, really interesting. For the last part, one of the things that we think about the future, guys, is to allow you guys to connect your spaces. Let's say, for example, here, Randy maybe can connect his room with Matt, and Akshay can connect his room with Chris, right? And Isabel maybe can connect her room with Frank. And we start to create this kind of, just like the internet, we have backlinks. Here in GoBrunch, we have the concept of gateways, which is really, really cool, where you guys can connect your spaces. And again, I want you guys to start doing that. We created a space this week. We're gonna share now at the end of this masterclass for you to join, and we are showcasing in this space all the spaces that people are doing. Okay. And then we can, of course, if it's not private, we would love to share your spaces over there. But yeah, this is really cool. Imagine that you are just creating gateways. And our vision here, guys, is to start connecting everyone. In the case of this interior designer, Angela, what do you have in mind? Who are you going to connect her with?
Oh yeah, I'm going to paste here the room of this person, his
Okay.
virtual space, and then we're going to join this new space.
This
This is
space that you just added is not from her.
exactly, it's from the new person she's connecting
Okay, that's
with.
cool. That's cool. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And if you
This
click on this navigation,
is going to take you to another virtual space.
nice. Okay. And actually, this is a very popular interior designer. That's really cool. Yeah. And now, guys, we are in a completely different space from a different person, right? We just created what we call that is a gateway. Okay. And we are connecting Melina Romano's room with this with Nate Barberka's room, right? Which is a global interior designer. And imagine the possibilities that you guys have for getting more visibility by connecting your spaces with more people. We definitely will keep you updated, but our vision is that while the internet is based on pages, we really believe that the future's internet will be based on rooms and spaces.